Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everybody. Me and Barney, the barn cat, or Barnacle Barney, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today, I'm just going to do a bit of a dock walk, show you the wooden boats in Ladysmith Fisherman's Wharf Marina. And I do have a couple other videos on the go, so I haven't gotten out to you so far. I've been busy working, and to be honest with you, just been figuring out what to work on because it's been way too nice, too warm, sunny, and we just haven't had the winter weather yet. So anyway, so let's go do it. Here's the first one. Of course, it's the nicest one. Yeah, not yet. One day, hopefully. Lots of work. But here's a quick shot of Ladysmith Fisherman's Wharf. And actually, here's the first one. This is a beautiful working fish boat. Very wonderfully done. I believe it's the nicest boat in the marina. Everything very nicely done. Her name is Andia. And let's see if we can just get a bit better shot of her from further back. She is well taken care of, just immaculate. Nice old wooden fish boat. Okay, where should we go next? And here's a Carol Ann 3. Another active fishing boat. Let's see where we go now. There's also the very well kept Orion C. Another active fishing boat. Wood. Very well kept for a active fishing boat. Blaze. Another wooden fishing boat. And on this side, we see the Sea Hunt. It's also a fairly nice active fishing boat. See if we can see around the other side. I'm not sure how much we'll see. Can't see too much of her. We can peek at the stern. I think that's it for this finger. And here we have early mist. I don't know what kind of shape she's in. She looks okay, but not 100% sure. She is for sale by owner. And I'm not even sure of her name. Tell you the truth, she has been patched, but she doesn't even have a name on her anymore. Then we have the Joy Sea. Has been a very active fish boat on this coast. Long history. I don't know her lineage or how old she is. double ender. And I have a feeling that is it. That's my short walk around for Ladysmith Fisherman's Wharf. Here's another sweet boat. It's wood. It's got some fiberglass over, but she is a gorgeous little boat, the Jenny B. A little hard to film here. I'm on my buddy's boat here. Yeah, she's a gorgeous little boat. Almost forgot to slip this one in there. This is a gorgeous little boat, the Jenny B. Let's finish this off with another quick look at Andia. She is a beautiful all wooden fish boat, immaculately taken care of. Still lots of active work going on here. And of course, we'll finish off with the nicest boat. One day. There is also usually another wooden tugboat here. I think it's 1948, the Gulf Tide, but she's in Stones right now being hauled on the hard. So anyway, hope you all have a wonderful Merry Christmas. And I do plan on getting some more videos out to you very soon. I'm just trying to figure out what I need to do of the many projects and get a little more organized and do something about it. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.